Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Tesla owner, you know how awesome features like Sentry Mode can be for keeping your car safe. It's like having a security guard watching over your vehicle 24/7. In this video, we're diving into how to view Sentry Mode events on your 2025 Tesla model. Whether you're checking for suspicious activity or just curious about what's happening around your car, this step-by-step guide will get you up to speed quickly. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your Tesla is connected to your account. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. It's the hub for all your car's features. Once you're logged in, tap on your vehicle from the main screen. This will bring up a dashboard of options tailored to your 2025 model. Next, head over to the Security tab, usually found at the bottom of the app. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to Sentry Mode. Tap on it, and you'll be greeted with a timeline of events. These are recordings from your car's cameras whenever Sentry Mode was activated, like if someone approached your vehicle. To view an event, simply select it from the timeline. You'll get a preview, and you can play the full video right in the app. For 2025 models, Tesla has made this even smoother with enhanced video quality and easier navigation. Look for the play, pause, and zoom options. If you need to save or share a clip, hit the download button or delete it if it's not important. One quick tip. Ensure your Tesla has at least 20% battery before relying on Sentry Mode, as it draws power over time. Also, check your app settings for notifications so you're alerted in real time. There you have it. That's how you view Sentry Mode events on your 2025 Tesla. It's a powerful tool that gives you peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Tesla tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.